Hi guys, we're here right now at Landers. You know what? It's a Christmas season. It's the season of joy, the season of giving, and of course, it's the season of cooking. You know, a lot of really amazing dishes come out, especially during Christmas time. And to make such wonderful culinary masterpieces, you need to have the best ingredients, right? So today, I'm gonna give you my 6 good reasons why you should buy your meat here at Landers. So the first reason why I love to buy here at Landers is their meat comes from local suppliers. So they're compliant with the laws, NMIS, plus having local suppliers are helping a lot of local farmers. Less carbon footprint, but also, you know that your meat is ASF free. The second reason is their meat is fresh, not frozen. So you know, their meat comes in a carcass, so it's really fresh. You're guaranteed to have the best quality meat. Is their meat here is butchered in a temperature controlled and very clean environment, and their staff is well trained, so they know really how to cook the meat properly and use some machines for doing specific cuts. The fourth reason is that their meat is packed and weighed properly. Reason number 5, Their selection is just awesome. For example, you can find ox stripes, ox feet, kare-kare mix. They even have beef paklay, plus a whole lot more, like different cuts of beef, chicken, as well as pork. You know, including their best-selling lechon belly, ready to cook lechon belly that's flavored and ready for your Noche Buena table. And number 6 is you also have meat on sale that's really, you know, bagsak presyo to make it so sulit, like this one, the HFC ground pork special. Only 209 per kilogram. You save 20 pesos per kilogram, and also the spare ribs. So there, and for hassle-free buying, you have combo meats like this one. We have pork chop and adobo cut, ground pork, and beef for your delicious spaghetti. There. Now I have checked out their meat. Here are some of my top 5 finds here. At number 5 is their seasoned lechon belly, right? So you can cook lechon belly at home, and I think there's an unseasoned version of it. Imagine, you know, making your own lechon belly for Christmas. Awesome, nah? You don't need to order anymore. Number 4, combo meats. You know, the combo meats are just an awesome option because, you know, it's 2-in-1 already. So for families who, you know, love to mix and match like a spaghetti or burger, ground pork and ground beef, you can do that hassle free. Just pick something up. Number 3, the beef offal. You know, you can find, you know, a paklay, beef paklay mix here. It's a pork version even, but also, you know, ox stripes and even ox tongue if you want. Amazing. Plus even this kare-kare mix for all those, you know, oxtail lovers. Number 2, if you want some spicy chicken wings, oh, they have a spicy chicken wing that's ready to cook, ready to fry. Yeah, just make your own buffalo sauce. Voila! You're gonna have an awesome fried chicken wings dinner. And number 1 is for samgyeopsal lovers. We have here, we have a beef samgyeopsal, a pork samgyeopsal, and you can just, you know, make your own samgyeopsal at home. Isn't it amazing, right? I just gave you my 6 good reasons why I shop here when I want to cook something special. So, what are you waiting for? If you're not yet a member, you better sign up now or miss out on a lot of things. So, hi guys, this is Miss Joni from Landers Cebu. So, Miss Joni, what are your promos right now for membership?
Landers Superstore Cebu is offering 25% off of membership fees for new membership and renewal application. Plus, when you sign up and store, you will get 200 Landers gift certificate for free. That's for free, and other perks.
Okay, so...
And also, Landers Superstore Cebu is offering more items on sale, like 50% off and buy one take one. Visit Landers Superstore Cebu. We're located at 23 Minory Park, Cardinal Rosales Avenue, corner Pope John Paul, that's in Cebu City. And we are open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily.
Guys, there you have it. So thank you so much for watching this vlog, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. And you know, I just give you some good reasons to shop at Landers. So hey, come on, If you are a member already, come visit because there's so many deals right now. And if you're not a member yet, it's a great time to be a member because of, you know, the promos and the sales, and you should never miss out on the things that you can buy here. So check that out and see you on our next videos, and thank you so much for all the support. So bye.